Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can add columns to our Mailchimp email template. So for that, open up your Mailchimp account, and after that go to campaigns, and in the campaign section you will see this option of email template on the left hand side. Just click on it. After that, you can either create a new template or open up your already existing template. Just click on your already existing template if you want to add column in it. And after your template opens up, and to add columns, you can just add text and drop it wherever you want it to be placed. And after that, the settings menu will appear. Just click on settings, and here you will be able to add one more column to it. Just click on 2, and that's how you do it. For more columns, you will have to get the paid version, and for the free version you can easily get 2 columns, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.